Morning folks, welcome back to another video. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning, the sun is up, quite harsh, blinding light, but I got a few hours of a window to get out with the camera, so I'm out. I've come out to the beach. I don't know whether to stay up in the long grass and see can I photograph some stonechats or some birds that perch up on the trees, or come down to the beach and see if there's anything worth photographing. I'm going to head down to the sand and see if there's any ring plovers or oyster catchers or anything. If there's nothing down there, I'm going to head back up and try photograph some stonechats or something. So I don't know what this video is going to be about, but bear with me. I'm going to see can I photograph something today, because I have a few hours to get out with the camera. So it's a bit of a mystery one. So I'm going to make my way down to the sand now, see if there's anything about, and if there's nothing, I might wait for a bit, but I'll find myself back up here, see can I find any stonechats or anything to photograph. But there's actually a load of geese in the water there, but no, I'm going to stick to my plan. I'm going to head down here and see if there's any ringed plovers or oyster catchers or anything down in the sand to photograph. Or turnstones. I photographed the turnstones on this beach actually. So, right, I have a 5-minute walk here, so I'll catch up with you in a few minutes. Right, nothing there. I'm gonna make my way back up to the grass now, because I could be waiting here all day and I don't have all day. So, oh, little bird there hopping on the grass, on the rocks. Maybe it's just a meadow pipit. Oh, he's flown away. Right, I'm going to make my way up to the grass now. Hopefully we'll get some stonechats, or even meadow pipits or something. But anyhow, right, catch up with you when I walk all the way back up here. Stonechat sitting up on a tree. Here, look. He's just there. It's a male stonechat. So I'm just gonna watch him, and I'm gonna try stick with him. So if he flies off, I'm gonna try stick with him and see if he's quite high. So there's background, and the background is just pretty much sky, so it's not a good photo. So I'm just going to watch him. You can hear him. I'm just going to watch him and see if he'll land low enough and close enough so I can get a photo. So I think that's my mission for today. You can hear him. See him, he's calling out. He's very wary looking around. I just need him to land close to me, or low enough so I have a background. There's just no background because it's sky, it's just white. I just need to keep an eye on him. I'm going to put yous down now. I'll get some more footage of him up there. I'm going to see can I get some photos. Stonechat up on this beautiful perch. You can hear him singing. Look. He's just up there. singing up there. Just getting some footage now, but I'm going to try to get some photos now in a sec. Whoa, that was a savage session with that Stonechat. Let me show you some of these photos. So, the Stonechat was up on branches, just hopping along these. You can still hear him. And then he flew down to the grass, and I managed to get some nice photos of him really low. And then he landed. There's a swallow. And then he landed on a beautiful perch with this kind of yellowy green background. And he was singing up there as well. Have a look at some of these photos. Look, you can see my reflection really bad. Look at that. That's not zoom, so if I go, look at that. Super clean background. And he's just up on there singing. Amazing. And then where's the other ones? And he was just sitting up on that perch singing for ages. Where's the one of him on the ground? Not on the ground, but just low on the grass. I took so many photos. Some ones of them there just sitting on the high grass. But whoa, that was epic. That was epic. I was not expecting that. Yeah, so I came this morning to go down the beach, maybe photograph some shoreboards, but nothing showed up. Nothing there. I'm glad I came up here. That one photo of the real clean background of him up in that perch singing looks sharp on the back of the camera, but when you get home it can be blurry. But I did take probably 70 photos of him up there, so one of them has to be good. One of them has to be good. But I'm going to call it a day now. And I got quite lucky because the sun was diffused when I was getting that photo. The sun kind of diffused a bit through a cloud. So I got quite lucky, but it's real harsh now, blue skies. So I'm going to call it a day. But I'll definitely throw that photo on the Instagram at Sean Mead Photography. I'll leave a link down below to the Instagram page, or on the website as well at seanmeadphoto.com. I'll leave a link. I think I have a Stonechat section there. I don't know, but I'll definitely throw the photos up there. Oh, anywho, thanks for watching, guys, and sure, I'll see you on the next one.